Today we'll be going through chemical formulas. So now how do we write chemical formula? So we'll first find the element in the periodic table. So magnesium is in group 2. So magnesium will have a charge of 2+. Chloride comes from chlorine, which will have a charge of Cl-. So one magnesium atom will have to react with 2 chlorine atoms, which gives us MgCl2. Now, let's look at the next example. So we have sodium oxide. So now let's look for sodium in the periodic table, which is here, which is in group 1. So sodium will have a charge of Na+. Oxide comes from oxygen, which is in group 16, which has a charge of O2-. So the shortcut for this is we'll bring the 2 down here and bring the 1 down here, which gives us Na2. Now, let's look at the next example. So for aluminium chloride, so same thing, we'll find aluminium in the periodic table, which is here. So take note that because aluminium is a metal, so it will still form a charge of Al3+. And same thing for chloride, it forms a charge of Cl-. So when we bring 3 down and 1 down here, we get AlCl3. Now, let's look at the last one. So we have calcium oxide. So let's look for calcium in the periodic table. So calcium is in group 2, so which has a charge of 2+, and oxide comes from oxygen, which has a charge of O2-. So take note, we don't write it as Ca2O2. This is wrong because each calcium will give 2 electrons away, whereas each chlorine atom will take in 2 electrons. So they are in a ratio of 1:1. So the formula for calcium oxide is CaO instead. So that's it.